Generators are indispensable in today's world, providing essential power backups for hospitals, data centers, and even residential areas during outages. The role of a generator technician is thus critically important, tasked with the installation, maintenance, and repair of these complex machines. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper exploration into their daily responsibilities and the skills required to excel in this field. A generator technician is a jack of all trades. On any given day, they might find themselves diagnosing mechanical issues in a diesel engine, rewiring electrical components, or programming software to meet customized operational needs. This segment explores the broad range of skills necessary, from heavy machinery mechanics to intricate electronic diagnostics, and illustrates these through typical scenarios a technician might encounter. Routine maintenance is the bedrock of a generator technician's day. Tasks such as changing the oil, replacing filters, and checking coolant levels are not just mundane chores. They are essential procedures that ensure the longevity and reliability of power generation equipment. This part details these routine tasks and emphasizes their importance in the bigger picture of generator upkeep. Imagine being called to a hospital at 3 a.m. because their backup generator has kicked in unexpectedly, despite the main power being stable. This section delves into the high-stakes nature of emergency responses that generator technicians often handle, detailing the steps taken to assess and mitigate issues that could potentially be a matter of life and death. To be effective in their roles, generator technicians must master a wide array of technical skills. This includes understanding complex wiring diagrams, programming control systems, and troubleshooting under pressure. Today we'll discuss the ongoing training and certifications that are essential for staying current with technological advancements in the field. This section juxtaposes the daily challenges faced by generator technicians, such as the physical demands of the job and the mental acuity required for complex problem-solving, with the profound satisfaction derived from ensuring critical systems remain operational when needed most. We'll also highlight personal stories from technicians who find deep fulfillment in their contribution to society. From entry-level positions to becoming a master technician, this segment outlines the various career paths available within the field of generator technology. It discusses educational requirements, necessary certifications, and potential career advancements, providing a roadmap for those interested in pursuing this challenging yet rewarding career. Through detailed anecdotes and case studies, this part illustrates the complex problems generator technicians encounter and solve. From troubleshooting a low coolant alarm to retrofitting an older system with new technology, these scenarios provide insight into the critical thinking and technical expertise required in the field. Modern generator technicians are equipped with a variety of tools that aid in diagnostics and repairs, from traditional hand tools to advanced software for system analytics. This section provides an overview of the essential tools of the trade, emphasizing how technology plays a crucial role in the efficiency and effectiveness of their work. Generator technicians play a vital role in maintaining societal functions by ensuring that critical sectors such as healthcare, data management, and emergency services have reliable power supplies. This section discusses the broad impacts of their work, illustrating the essential nature of their role within various industries. As technology evolves, so does the field of power generation. This part explores emerging trends such as renewable energy integrations and advanced automated systems, forecasting how these developments might influence the responsibilities and skills required of future generator technicians. For those considering a career as a generator technician, this section offers practical advice and insights. It includes recommendations on educational pathways, key skills to develop, and resources for further learning, aimed at helping newcomers navigate their entry into the field. This concluding section recaps the critical importance of generator technicians in maintaining essential services and the diverse, challenging nature of their work. It underscores the commitment and multifaceted expertise required to excel in this field, serving as a call to action for those inspired to contribute to this vital industry. This final section provides citations for the sources used throughout the essay, and suggests additional materials for readers interested in learning more about the field of generator technology or considering a career as a generator technician. This essay is crafted to provide a comprehensive look into the demanding yet profoundly rewarding world of generator technicians, whose work ensures that the lights stay on and systems run smoothly, no matter the circumstances.